Ito naman guys, ewan ko kung anong fossils ito. Laking fossils ito ah. Ito yung ano, parang ano ng elephant eh. Ito yung dulo niya ng yung ano, yung sungay o ano ng elephant. Ito naman, how you call this one?
This one, that big, the
Short face bear? Oh, it's a bear? Whoa. This is the actual size of the bear, huh? It's big. Yeah, I think so.
No,
Yeah, because the lion is big. That's how the actual size of the lion is bigger. That one is more bigger, I think.
yeah, that's the saber-tooth.
Saber-tooth cat? Oh, it's a cat.
And Daddy, look,
Saber-tooth cat?
that's what bears used to be. That's
Huh?
what big bears used to be. That's what big bears used to be.
Oh, look at that. It's a big bear. Oh, it's how you call the one? Short face bear.
No, it looks like this one, the sloth. Cause look, this look his bottom feet. It's different. It's the sloth.
Is that one?
Yeah, the sloth versus the tiger.
The Harlan's ground sloth.
Camel, dire wolf.
Extinct camel. The big bear. They have it in the big bear. This one. They put it here. In big bear, they have this one. Yeah.
Sit down.
Oh, okay. Giant Ice Age. And this one, short face bear. Ayan. Short face bear. Rawr.
The saber-tooth. Oh yeah, there's a turtle. There's a turtle.
Wow. Galing, galing ng pagkagawa para siyang totoo.
Mommy, look. There's a tunnel here.
That bear has a short face.
Bye, Mommy.
Short face bear. Where's BB?